Hi there. This is the weirdest quick video ever about this IKEA 1.2 liters watering can. So basically this is the part number right here, and it was kind of an impulse buy from IKEA, but it's actually really nice to use, honestly, really easy to clean and kind of looks good. And I just entered the IKEA website to see what they had to say about it, and it seems that they kind of sell this as a designer one, and they say it looks so good that you don't need to store it away when not using. So basically, I don't know, you can leave it close to your plants and it kind of looks cool. And honestly, it really does. So I think this is one of the first times when such text for a product is actually not bullshit. And the plastic itself, quite flexible but really strong at the same time. The shape is really nice, so nice to hold in the hand, but I kind of do it something like this. If not, it's a bit thin at the bottom. Camera focus, please. So if I put my finger in here, then I'm 100% steady with it, and all good. I have no idea what's that reinforcement doing there. We have the 1.2 liter mark in there. Yeah, I think we can put more than that in it, and probably it will hold. It's quite strong, as you can see. I can barely bend it, and this is long enough that you can reach through a tiny bush, let's say, like that, a thick flower, and still reach where you need to water. So the really nice product, unexpected. I'm kind of not about design, I'm more about function, but when a nice design also perfectly does its function, as opposed to my phone that's not working on focus anymore, which kind of sucks, but nothing that I can do, sadly, and my daughter. And yeah, I think that's about it for the video. Basically, let's water some plants. But what I do hate from the bottom of my heart are stickers that are not easily removable. I do understand that, like, these people cannot just move the sticker from a cheap product to a more expensive product inside the store and con the store, basically, but if I cannot also remove it at home, that sucks. Ended up needing to use this adhesive remover from Lidl. Now I just need to give this a quick wash, but I don't like this because this is toxic AF, so it's a really bad thing. Where are the warnings? Yeah, not good at all, but it does the job. So IKEA, just do something about the labels, at least, so you can rip them cleanly, even if in 100 pieces, but at least cleanly rip at the end. And this is how easy you use it. Basically, you put it wherever you need. It's long enough. And it seems the design is good enough that others are basically kind of almost making a carbon copy out of it. I found this at my parents' house. They have it for a while. So yeah. And that's about it for this video. Basically nothing more to say than thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.